Hello, ho, ho, yeah, welcome to the stream. Let's finally start. 1 second again. Need to set it up correctly. Yes, I'm hearing myself. Need to set it up. And yeah, welcome to the stream, I would say now. Need to add the chat. Yeah, I got a small headache, so everything will be a little bit slower today. Okay, yeah. One second, I will still post on X. And hello to the one who joined. Hello, Mattstone. How are you? I'm fine. What about you? Hello to the one who joined. Hello, Mattstone. How are you? Still have a headache, but hopefully this will vanish. Yeah, everyone I got on Discord, I sent a link to the official Discord group. Yeah, okay, I got it a little bit loud. Sent a link to the official Discord. Yeah, I hope you. Oh. Okay, I hope you won't hear me talking in the background. Anyways, yeah, oh man, head hurt. Maybe I will get myself some painkillers and I will return soon. Yeah, I guess I need some painkillers. So I won't be able to code. Okay, I will get myself some painkillers, but I will return in a minute. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I hate migraine. I hate my migraine. Really annoying as hell. Okay, now I will some background music. Oh, I'm sorry, was not on purpose. And this is an annoying ad. Okay, there we go. I will track the chat through my mobile phone. Now I will continue coding. Okay. Oh yeah, here I did it wrong. Okay, perfect. So yeah, let's now go to NPC. Hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah. Coding and working on my game. So small scribbles, small scribbles should have a master. So master equals self. Self point. Self point influence rectangle equals Pygame point rect. Self point x, self point y, self point x size. Self point y size, and yeah, minus 20, minus 20, plus 20, plus 20, now let's see, move there. If not, if self point master point alive and not Pygame point rectangle point collide rectangle point get rectangle and master point. Influence rectangle. Influence rectangle was the right term, yeah. Self point master, okay. Self point X is smaller.
Gefiltert durch 6 Schichten Vulkangestein.
Point X.
Den puren Geschmack der Natur. Volvic. Unsere Stärke liegt in der Natur.
Yeah, like this we are comparing the master with the kind of sounds strange if I always referring to the master and the slave. But even the term is used in computer science. There you, for example, have a master-slave flip-flop, which is used as alternative to a delay flip-flop or an even more complex flip-flop. So you kind of avoid hazards that can occur if you're only using D flip-flops or delay flip-flops or any flip-flops. And the flip-flops don't have to have anything to do with the shoes, but rather are used to save a signal for the next clock tick. Okay, direction equals with the 3 and 4. Now let's divide if he is moving up or not. So if I'm lower than if he is lower than the master, is self point smaller than self point master, I am ironically higher. So it should be down, it should be 2 in this case and else 1. Okay, so we need to kind of redefine and so what comes next? Hello to the one who joined recently. Yeah, we are working on a Pygame. We are working on a game in Python. Maybe I can show you. And this piece of art here, okay, I'm totally insulting every piece of art if I call my game a piece of art, but this game is the game I'm working on, And at the moment I'm working on a squirrel type enemies similar to these ones, but yeah, we have a chief squirrel and smaller squirrels. And here. Okay. Pretty simple. And this happens while I fight my Urk to not fall asleep. But yeah, shouldn't be that hard. Okay, so what happens next? Now we go to level. And where is the squirrel? Let's see squirrel. Squirrel. Equals is greater than 4 and not random point went in. Yeah, with Aleph we are kind of saving resources. Resources, kind of hard pronouncing that. Yeah, so. And I am reading stuff, singing stuff, reading stuff. Okay. I will return. No. But it will be Squirrel Chief. And yeah. Four and level equals self. Okay, why? Okay, this works. Why does it not work here? But this should work in some cases, so why does it not work now? I'm not getting it. Why is this not working? Level equals self. Now it works, okay. So I guess I wrote accidentally level 2 times. Now let's see what happens. Okay, this should be enough. that that they can spawn. Okay. That's interesting. By the way, did I get the right pictures? Let's see that. Hello to everyone who joined recently. As you can see, I'm working on my game, which is a game I'm developing in Pygame. And yeah, the entire game was made during live streams. If you have any questions, please write them down into the chat. If you want me to do anything, we can do data science, Matplotlib later on. Write it also in the chat. Yeah. Okay, so now what can we do? We can see Squirrel NPC. So Squirrel Chief does have okay, so okay, the self point, how is it called? ML. Self point move left equals squirrel point. I have so many, but this is a small squirrel, so yeah. Small squirrel move left. Same goes for move right. Small squirrel move right. Squirrel. 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 Yeah, squirrel is one of the hardest words to pronounce if you're from Germany. Or Dutch. Dutch also. Dutch people should also have their issues with pronouncing squirrel. But I, as a German, can say I have my issue with that word. Okay. Okay, self point, image attack white equals squirrel point small. Attack white one. Same goes for left. And yeah, left. So let's now copy this set to the chief. But in this case it is C. And yeah, again, oh no, I mean C. Again, hopefully they all exist. Let's see. No, I guess there is an index error. Again, if you have any questions, want to ask anything, write it down in the chat. I'm reading every 2 to 3 minutes. I try to read the chat. So feel free to ask anything you want me to ask. Okay, no, that was another issue. An issue I need to solve later, but not now. Okay, so Here we have no squirrels because the level is simply too small. Again, no enemies. I want some squirrels, so. Influence rectangle, okay. Now it has. Interesting, so he didn't generate them at all, I guess. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, it doesn't work that bad. These are the common squirrels. Madstone wrote something, let me see. I don't know if selling, I don't know. You have to think about back in the old days, no one thought that you could develop a game in Java that could be viable. And yeah, back in the old days, no one thought it would be doable to do a game in Java that could be, yeah, go public in any way. And then we got Minecraft. And yeah, the simple thing is with Python, you can simply, in the end, the final product, it doesn't matter which library it was made. If it works fine, if the game itself is good. I mean, Flappy Bird, you could totally do Flappy Bird with Pygame. And Flappy Bird made its developer a millionaire. So really depends on the guild. Simple game, addicting games can be done with Pygame. And any kind of minimalistic game can be doing Pygame, but maybe not. Maybe not too complex games. That's what I think about that. So, but yeah, maybe we will also engage after I finish the game in 100 years. We can engage in other libraries or packages. It's just for now that we are kind of bound to Pygame. Also because Pygame is a library I'm most familiar with. Okay, now again I need a few more examples. So to get more examples, let's create more of them, because yeah, to everyone who joined, I am developing a game, and I implemented a new enemy type, squirrel type, chief type, which has its minions that follow itself, and yeah. Put this aside. And let's develop less squirrels. Now we should, yeah, we simply have to remember that we remove that later. Yeah, in this case, here we go. Okay, I don't know why they are spawned. Now they are fleeing. Okay, I need to work on the movement system. But yeah, I like it. Okay, new chat, there's not something new. Hello, first of all, hello to Lordanis. And yeah, it has different maps. It also has a dungeon-like map if you... I mean, on the right side, or it's more in the middle, down, you see this red, orange hole. And if you enter that, let me do that, you can even enter a dungeon like this. Here we go, and now we entered a small dungeon. Enemies like this, so yeah. Assets are the most simplest way, so designing and making the level kind of more immersive. It's not that hard, as you can see here. But what is harder, here we have our first boss, and this boss, creating this boss here was painful. As you can see here. Here he's now moving towards me. I even animated him a little bit more. And yeah, he's really hot. But that's kind of cool. He has different phases, and you should only attack him in the second phase, not when he's attacking, because then he deals usually more damage than you can deal. Yeah. Hello to the one who joined recently. Yeah, I kind of testing my own game I'm working on. Doing this little boss fight here. Oh, come on. Die. Okay, he's dead. What does he drop? A stone sword, but a good one. Yeah, I need to set up the loot, because usually he should only drop good stuff, rare good stuff with a lot of modifiers. And here comes the next boss, by the way. The King of Blobs. And I need to level up, otherwise I won't get healed. And this boss will be my end. Yeah, this was my first boss I ever created. 1 second, let me look in the chat. Maybe your char needs some defense crouching. Yeah, or maybe not crouching, but I want him to be able to shoot projectiles as well, so he can fight from the distance. And then again, I have some enemies that counter that. Already at level 15. Come on, die. Die already. He will be dead soon, 1 second. There we go. Now let's see what he drops. An uncommon and a usual stone sword. Yeah, inventory system is still laggy, but yeah. And now we can get back to our route in the woods. Okay, so now let's close it. We tested enough. And yeah, anything? Really nice to see your progress. Thank you, thank you. Okay, the last question was already answered. Yeah, thank you for your words. Okay, what can we do next? Now we can try to improve the movement of the minions. Now if we look at NPC, so small squirrel. So, by the way, I just imagined a cool way to make enemies or NPCs flee from the player. Now let's see. Point, rectangle, collide. Master influence rectangle. So what I'm wanna add now is I want to, see where I implemented the self point. Here is a chief. Here, influence rectangle. I should highlight that by adding some tabs here. Okay, here's the influence rectangle and -20. Let's do first -10, +10. Let's think about that again. If is less than master X, he should move to the right. Okay, so this should be maybe 4 and this should be 3. Because if we are more on the left, we have less X and we want to move right. Okay, let's test it. Oh, a green sword. Okay, that's harder to view. Oh, we got a rare. Oh, this is a rare one. Is it better than the first? Yeah, kind of, because we added some movement speed. Now let's see. Here, squirrels. Okay, they are moving down. Don't know why they are moving down. And yeah, the default is still wrong. Okay, so this is still wrong. If self point Y is less, we should move down. Okay, so this also needs to be fixed like this. Redstone. No, not yet. I don't have a menu for the game, but I will. This is one of the last things I will do. If the game is finished already, it will have a menu. Maybe it will have a menu where you can manipulate stuff like the volume, if it will have sound, all sorts of that, but not at the moment. not at the moment. Okay. Oh, pretty simple. The way I designed the game. You see, first of all, if I have the main, where's the main method? The main method creates a game object and game point while game point running, game point start. Now we can simply say before game point start he should menu open, then we have a menu. So we will just have something like menu point open, and then if menu point start, game point start. So shouldn't be hard to implement, because we will just move one. Oh, I'm sorry for the ad. Yeah, the annoying ad. Now we got rid of the annoying ad. So yeah, that's simple stuff. It's like kind of like the inventory, but instead of going higher in the hierarchy, we now going lower. So the game stopped because now we are we are drawing inside of it, and this is the inventory. And each small menu like the stats. Good night. Good night, Lord Arnis. Yeah, thank you for joining the stream. And yeah, feel free to join anytime, and you can also join the Discord. I will guess soon I will post the code of my game, so anyone can make their own version. Yeah. Bye. Okay. I also will now make a little coffee break. First 45 minutes seems like a good time for first coffee break. And I have no headache anymore. I guess this is simply because of the coffee break. And not the coffee break, but because of the painkillers I took. Okay. See you in 8 minutes. Okay, hello, I'm back. And I hope you're still there. Let me first move this and this aside. Yeah. Now what still is missing is the default. Okay. By the way, thanks to the one who subscribed lately. Just saw that I got a new subscriber, which is pretty awesome. Thank you. And welcome to the team. Okay, now let's move on. Oh, Maston wrote something. 1 second. You make the loop very simple to keep the code good to... Yeah, I hope that's easy to do, easy to understand. If name equals squirrel, try to make it as easy as possible. Okay. Image equals image. More like this. And yeah. Now the small squirrel will have image. La la la. And now hello Deepu. 1 second, I will read the chat now. Hello Deepu, how are you? Man, this. Yes, I would. It depends on the size of the game. So if you have a, if your game has a larger size, it's it should make a more object-oriented approach. If it is a larger game and small games, you can kind of the entire game logic can be made in the main method. I mean, you can do only one file if it's like a file that is if you only write 100 lines of 1000 lines of code, it can be put together in one file, in my opinion. Hello to everyone who joined recently. Yes, I working on my game in Python, Pygame. Here you go. This little gem is an overstatement, but this little game here. At the moment, I'm working on the squirrel type enemy. Okay, so now let's see class small squirrel. Okay, this should work. Now the same for the big squirrel. Image equals the big one, the small one. Okay, now image equals C. Squirrel point C. Move left one. And here again, image equals image. Now let's see. Let's run the main method again. And let's see if it changed. Yeah, I need to kill some blobs first, so... Oh, okay. Where is it? None. Okay, let's see. None. Yeah, that's obvious. Okay, so the connection works. The loop is usually is first in the game. So here we have a game where we have the loop, let's see, while self point running. And yeah, so it's also an attribute, and yeah, each level will also have a loop in itself, so he will pause the loop if he starts a new level, and then he will have a loop inside the level. And if I open an inventory or get into dive even deeper, there will be another loop, and even the level loop will be paused. Like this. And yeah. And no problem. No need to thank. Okay, game, NPC. Where were we? Let's try it again and see if the mistakes only happened once, or even if it happens more times. Okay, yeah, kind of interesting level. Okay, argument 1, so yeah, it happens more often. Now let's see where the... Super. I've only one loop in the main part, but like you. Yeah, I made 3 games. The first one was just in each attempt I managed that I have to think kind of bigger and have to, but yeah, that's because I'm used to do everything object orientated. If I have scripts that are not that small, but if you are doing it, I guess there are many attempts and ways how to solve that. A lot of. Hello to the new viewers who joined recently. Yes, we are talking about Pygame and how we can make viable games with that. Any questions, please write them down in the chat. Yeah. And if you want, I can show you the game, or not now. I will zip out of my coffee. Okay. So what can we... So how does the issue, why does this issue exist? Maybe first of all we don't need this one. Oh, annoying ad. 1 second, I will close the ad. Sorry for the annoying ad. Yeah, ads are always annoying. That being said... That being said, now I should use a term or something. Hello to the one who subscribed lately. Thank you for subscribing, by the way. Okay, now... What could be the next? Why does he split none? When does he do that? So when does he try to build none? When do I try to build it none? So if I'm now moving, whoop, yeah. So it kind of is an issue regarding moving NPC. That's interesting, or in this case, yeah, I don't know if interesting is the right term or annoying. Still, yeah, this is, by the way, again, when you're stuck. Does this change anything? I guess not, but let's find it out. Okay, he didn't. But I think that's because I guess now it will happen. Yes. Image equals image. So we have an image. And again, yeah, here is image none. But here image equals image. Here again, image equals image. And level image equals image. Here. So I don't get the issue at all. Now I'm feeling stupid. So let's again see master, maybe that's... And in level we have... Squirrel Chief. Ah, look at that. That's the issue. You tricked me. He tried to trick me. Okay, that killed much more time than needed, but again. Okay. Ah, here we go. Okay, so now let's see. NPC squirrel. Let's again get back to 20 plus 20 and huh? Are you gonna kidding me? Ah yeah, okay, that's the issue that sometimes problems exist. Okay. Okay, here is the oh, come on. I thought we solved this. Didn't we? Okay, here we go. Damn, that's interesting. Speedbon. Okay. So I still have something. Complex enemy. Ah, here we go. Now let's see. Oh, this could be the end. Okay. It was not the end, which is good. What could I implement now? Maybe. Okay. Well, I'm pretty sleepy. But first of all, wanted to have a longer shift today. Longer than usual. But where's my energy? Should have much more energy today. But it's gone. Where is it? Who stole my energy? Who? And why? What does he do with my energy? Can he do something with my energy? What can he do with my energy? Okay, so because no one is watching, I can... Oh, hello to the one who joined recently. Yeah, just implemented a new enemy type in my Pygame, which is called the Master Squirrel. So yeah, you can see... Okay. Yeah, kind of. What was really painful to implement was that the squirrels follow its mother or its chieftain. You know, its master. I created a kind of enemy type that called master. Yeah, no pun intended or no. Nothing SM related intended, just pure nonsense, okay. And yeah, thanks to the one who subscribed lately. Thank you, got a new subscriber, which is cool, and a new like. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. Really nice. Nice. Yeah, unfortunately I have not the energy I'm used to have. I hope this will change. Soon. Okay. I guess. I need to reset, think of the way I am sitting on my desk in a more healthy way. Hello to the one who joined recently. Yes, I'm trying to figure out what to do next. Maybe we'll now close Pygame and do some data science. What about that? Yeah. Maybe we will do this after a short break, because I'm really feeling sleepy. Yeah, let's do a short break. Okay, so we are back. Yeah, a long time ago since we did something with Matplotlib. So yeah, let's do another file with Matplotlib. Matplotlib. I don't wanna port matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Show plt.plot x equals 3, y equals 1, 2, 4. What happens if I run this? Okay, yeah. I want to show you what I did. So how can I add it? Now let's say for I in range. Say while true. By the way, move this aside so we can. And yeah, if we do that, don't need this anymore. Because, so what are we gonna do now? We are gonna keep on coding, but we are gonna do what needs to be done. Okay, that's simple. And can kind of sing along with the music. I guess it's not bad particularly. Okay. Point pause. Zero. One edge. O equals 3.1. Now this is kind of the frequency. So is this one the pause? As you can see here, I will. Oh, this is the wrong one. Sorry. Where do I got it? 1 second. I can show you what I was meant here. So. if this shouldn't block the code, so let's move it here, the chat here. Looks kind of cool. Should also work with 0, 0. And yeah, he should get faster, so minus What do you think of this? While E doesn't equal, let's say while E doesn't equal 500. Yeah, we want to be more complex regarding the animation, so we will dive back to the loop. Yeah, long time since I did anything else then. What was I going to say then? Pygame, so it's kind of time to do something with Matplotlib. Plotting stuff. Okay, so. But instead, yeah. No, we should get to 500 soon. Yeah, 400. It's 500 and now. Yeah, he will restart. Okay. But now with E. 1 E and yeah, let's say 200. So it will get a little slightly faster still because of the exponential growing. Left that doesn't move, okay. I hope it will move, but it doesn't. Ah, okay, because I'm not increasing. So let's again increase it. And but don't decrease O. So again, what will happen if I do that? What will happen if I do that? Nothing. Nothing. Hello Alex, great to see you. Welcome back to the stream. Yeah, last time I had to finish earlier, so I couldn't do anything. But yeah, great to see you, my friend. Okay. Kind of evolved. The squirrel enemy is finished. I can show you 1 second. On main. Yeah, you should be able to see it. And yeah, I still need to get to level 4, which should, because I still have added the EP bonus. I should have it soon. Yeah, this is a new squirrel type, so we have a mother squirrel with its minions. They are evil and attack me again. And yeah, there will also be normal squirrels. I should work on the loot. Yeah, a lot of stuff I will engage tomorrow. Now I wanted to do some plot stuff. And did I still forget to increase E? Am I stupid? Oh, wrong one. Oh yeah. Finally. Yeah, I simply increased some variables by plotting. That's nothing spectacular, I guess. But thinking about I wanna do a sinus curve, so let's where did I save it? Matplotlib. Ah, here, Matplot. Now let's create Matplot 2. Matplot 2. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. plt.pause. Now I wanna animate a sinus curve. The sinus curve. What again? So we should use NumPy for that. Something not used. What is this? Okay. This was a test one. I guess I tested and already deleted some different stuff in that. And yeah. I'm sorry that I have to moan all the time. It was a long day. Pretty long one. Okay, so we have Ly1 equals Lx and Ly. And now while true, Lx. And yeah, because we are starting with sinus 0, Lx point append. No, I can't do it like this. Hello to everyone who joined recently. Yes, we are plotting some stuff, or we are animating some PyPlot stuff. If you have any questions or want to do anything else, please write it in the chat. Yeah. I guess it's the painkillers I took that make me tired. Or it's just a long day. Pointer equals 0. Lx pointer plus equals 1. Zero point 1. Oh no. Plus equals 1. Plus 0.1. Now Ly append P, okay, import numpy as and P. P point sinus of LX pointer. Let's see what happens. Oh, I'm still on Matplotlib. I wanna plot this one, so yeah. Nothing. Maybe I'm just freaking stupid. Or we need PLT point show. Even if it doesn't make any sense. Okay, what's the difference between this and this? Oh, yeah. Hello, hello, hello. I just forgot to plot. Yeah. Why am I not fired yet? Regarding my job? I don't know. Okay, so let's plot it. PLT point plot. This is pretty simple. LX, LY. Here we go. And again we will use O. And yeah. O. But O will get smaller each time. Looks decent. Okay. I guess I will grab myself a piece of cheese. Piece of cheese, yeah. I'm running this. I mean, it's a floating point number. So, what can we do now? I mean, I wanted to grab myself a piece of cheese. I wanted to say, first of all, hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, we're doing stuff in Matplotlib. We can also return to my Pygame, but I don't think I will code that long, so let's stick to Matplotlib. Yeah, if you want me to do anything specific, please write it down in the chat. Okay. If pointer greater than okay, but I should do something like one, maybe 70. Yeah, that's better probably. Okay. Okay, now what else can we do to not sleep? I mean, sleeping is like game over. Sleep is for the weak. I don't know who said it. Okay, now I will grab myself something to eat. See you in 4 minutes or something like that. Okay, I'm back and I grabbed myself something to eat. Yeah. Hopefully you are back too. And what was, yeah, I should remove that sign. Yeah, I'm freaking hungry. That's, by the way, cheese curd. Okay. Now what can we do? We can point equals line 1. Can simply do something like this. Okay, now it is followed by simple sticks, but not what I was originally planning to do. Okay. I guess I got it. Okay, it was a little bit too late, so okay. You know what? We can do that again tomorrow, because yeah, there's no energy left in my brain for coding. With that being said, I would say thanks everyone for watching, thanks every new subscriber, I got a lot of today. And yeah, see you hopefully in tomorrow's stream. Wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country, right? And yeah, see you, bye bye.